First, bring all the ingredients together. Good pancakes start with preparation.
Every soft pancake starts here, with a good egg cracked gently and carefully.
Flour gives structure to the batter, so add it slowly and let it settle naturally.
Pour in the milk and add sugar. This makes the batter smooth and balanced.
Mix everything gently until smooth. Do not overmix the batter.
Let the batter rest for a few minutes. This improves the texture.
Lightly oil the pan before cooking. This prevents sticking. Pour the batter slowly into the pan. Keep the shape even. Wait until bubbles appear on the surface. Now the pancake is ready to flip. When the first side is golden, flip gently and keep the pancake flat.